Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot integrations with Zapier, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a HubSpot account set up. Navigate to Zapier's website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged into Zapier, click on Make a Zap at the top right corner. In the Trigger App search bar, type and select HubSpot. You will need to connect your HubSpot account. Click on Sign in to HubSpot and authorize access by logging in. After connecting HubSpot, select a trigger event from the options provided. Once you've chosen your trigger, click Continue. Set up the trigger by selecting the specific parameters needed for your integration. Once setup is complete, click on Test Trigger to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, select the Action app from the list of options. Search for the application you want to integrate with HubSpot and click on it. You will need to connect the selected app to your Zapier account. Click on Sign in to App Name and authorize access as required. Choose the appropriate action event for your integration. After selecting the action, click Continue. Now, customize the action fields based on your specific integration needs. Zapier allows you to map fields between HubSpot and the other app. Once you've set this up, click Continue. Test the action to confirm the integration functions as expected. If everything checks out, click Turn on Zap to activate your integration. Your HubSpot integration with Zapier is now complete. You can monitor your Zaps directly from the dashboard for any future adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.